Hi, to clone apps on our Magic 7 Lite, all you have to do is find and open your Settings app, and in Settings, scroll a bit and choose Apps tab. So from this menu, choose App Twin, and after that, you'll see a list of apps which you can clone, and in my case, it is just Facebook app. So to make a copy of this app, App Twin, I just need to tap on the switcher like this, and now Twin app icon is added to home screen. So why we need this? Basically, you can use two different accounts in those two different apps. So you can use one type of data in your main Facebook account and another type of data in your twinned Facebook. And now let's check it. So here it is. This is copy of main Facebook app because we can see this icon with number 2 in it. So this is main app and this one is cloned app. If you would like to uninstall this cloned app, you can press and hold it and choose to delete, or you can go back in the app twin setting and here tap on switcher, and in the pop-up window, choose to close it. But please note that this will delete all of the app's data as well. Just cloned app, not the main one. So tap close, and now copy would be uninstalled. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.